Welcome to Rachel Quinto Creates, and today we are going to create a rainbow watercolor background, and then I will be brush lettering it with some Kelly Creates black brush lettering markers. So here I am using the Prima Marketing watercolor palette in the classic set, and I'm just creating a rainbow. And the great thing about the classic set, it's already rainbow order. So I'm just going to go down the line on the palette and fill in this piece of watercolor paper until I get the whole rainbow effect. I did try to cheat it out a little bit, thinking that the red and the yellow were going to create the orange for me, but unfortunately it didn't, so I had to fill in the orange, and it turned out perfectly fine. So I'm just going down the page through all the colors, and I'm saturating this paper quite a bit with water, and you're going to start to see the paper warp. Now normally I tape down my paper, but for some reason I just didn't even think of doing it for this video. So you're going to see this paper warp quite a bit. And so what I'm going to do after I finish creating this rainbow is I'm going to cut the video and go downstairs, hit the paper with my heat tool to dry it out faster and to kind of minimize the warping. And then I'm going to be sketching out what I wanted to write. And you can kind of see it very faintly in pencil as I go over it with the Kelly Creates brush pen. This is the large tip, and which is really good for big brush lettering like this. I like it better than the Tombos because I feel like there's a lot more bounce to this large brush pen, and by bounce I mean it kind of goes back to its original shape after I put some pressure on it. And I feel like I have more control with this Kelly Creates pen versus the Tombow, but I do like the Tombos also. So after I do these two words, I'm going to grab the medium-sized brush pen, and do these little splash marks. And I like these also. I really enjoy the Kelly Creates brush marker line. I have the black pens in the fine, medium, and large, and I love each one. So I'm just going through and creating the splash lines, and that's the end of it. Now don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Quinto Creations, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.